Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we found the source of all evil. Uh, I got the cap off, this one, cover. I took it off, and look what I found. This is the gasket. Actually, there is a gasket that, because of that gasket, the oil will leak. This gasket is dry and was broken in a couple of places and is not holding the oil anymore. And what happened is the oil circulates in pressure and start to leak from the sides and gets to the outside of the gasket and leaks out. That's why we see signs of oil on the sides. That's where it's going to come out from. This section here got to be very well sealed. And when the oil in the temperature, hot temperature from the motor and everything, the gasket dries out and just breaks and stop separating, stop holding the oil in. That's what caused the leak. So you got it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace, of course, this gasket. I'm going to clean everything real good. I'm going to inspect everything. I'm going to check everything on the motor. I'm going to do it very slowly and take my time. You don't want to put everything back together, crank the motor, and guess what? You look on the bottom and you see an oil paddle. This gasket probably, I would say, under 20 bucks at the worst case scenario. Original Mercedes. And a $20 part, and you have to spend a couple of days on taking the motor out and a couple of days on putting everything together. So there you go. This is S600, the motor oil leak repair. So far you got all the information. I hope if you don't have all the information and you have any questions, I've done it already, so I can answer you the questions. If you run into a problem and you're doing the job, write to me. I will respond immediately and do everything I can to try and help you. So if you have the same problem on a S600, the Mercedes-Benz S600, if you got oil leaking from the motor and you're not sure where it's coming from, and of course it's not somewhere from the bottom of the motor that you can identify immediately. It's something that you can't identify, you don't know where it's coming from, but you see oil leaking and the situation gets worse and worse. Shoot me a line, write me something down right there on the bottom. You see there is a place for comments. Write me something there. I'll respond as soon as I can. I'll help you out, try to help you if you run into any problems. But again, here's the motor. Take a good look at that. Here's the problem. To be able to fix that problem, you do have to take the heads out. And after you take the heads out, and of course the intake manifold, valve covers, everything else. I put one of the heads here, I flipped it upside down, gently lower it down to make sure that the valves are not bending. I got a look also, if you can see one of the valves is discolored. I need to inspect that and see what happened, what caused that. It's not something usual. You see all the other got a decent color, these two kind of off color a little bit. So I'm going to check that. I'm going to look at the aluminum on the heads, make sure that they're 100% leveled and good. If I need to take him to a machine shop and make sure that there's no leaks, no compression, exhaust compression runoff or anything like that, I'm gonna have to redo the heads. Hopefully not, but I'll inspect it, I'll clean them, of course. This is the cover that stands and hold everything inside, where the oil is actually leaking from. These are breathers, nipples. Nothing major. The oil leak is not coming from there. The oil leak is coming exactly from here. That's exactly where it comes from, and I'm going to start and order all the parts and put everything back together. And once I put everything back together, of course it's going to take me at least maybe 3 more days to put everything together, working 4 or 5 hours a day. Cleaning the motor, of course I need to clean the motor. There's a lot of things that's not going to depend on me. I'm going to take the heads to the shop and see if everything is good there. I'm going to have to clean the cylinders, inspect each one of them individually, make sure there are no runoff of compression loss due to any failure of one of the cylinders. Gonna have to clean everything real good. Of course, if you do a job like that, you want to make sure that everything is clean. I'm gonna drop the oil, put new oil in. So there is still a lot of work. It's not done. Putting everything together though is exciting. I'm glad I got to the source of the problem. Now you can do that too. And I don't know what the blogs and everything talking about replacing the oil cooler. I don't think the oil cooler need to be replaced. This is basically the oil cooler, by the way. Oil flows in here, and since it's got, you see, kind of like a radiator, oil runs inside and gets cooled and then keeps on circulating. When the gasket here dries out, start to lose seal, the oil start to leak out. The only way to fix it is to take the heads out. Unfortunately, there's no other way. If there was any other way, I would have done that, but I can't see any other way to do that. Okay, that's it. That's it for now. When I start to put everything back together, I'll show you. Maybe I'll speed the process and talk a little less. Sorry for talking so much. Just I think it's got to be informational. You know, with all the YouTubes that I've done together, probably, I don't know, if you get all of them together, maybe an hour, hour and a half, but it reflects about maybe so far 15 hours, 14 hours of work. So I squeezed everything down and tried to be as informative as I can be. So if you do the same job, you have the information that you need. So if you run into problems or anything, you can solve the problems. But that's it. Still letting you look around, seeing everything. So you get a few more seconds. Instead of pausing the screen, you can just look at the motor, look at how everything looks, see all the things around, and of course get a little help, guidance on how to fix the problem. Mercedes-Benz S600 2001, oil leak on the back of the motor. We found the reason. We're going to fix it and put everything back together. You got any questions or comment, write me a line. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck.